Hello everyone and welcome back to Steve's How To. Today I'm going to show you how to transfer our website that we're going to create to our web host server via file transfer protocol. So let's open up our favorite website builder, the one we're going to use, and we're going to go up here to File, and we're going to make up a new website from a template just to make it easier. Okay, our template window is open up here, so we got to select a template. So we're going to go through here and pick something that we can use. Oh, look at that. Let's grab that one there because we're going to do something with our classic cars. So let's call this example number 7. Okay, so here we are. So we're going to make a couple changes, take a couple things out. We're going to change this here to Steve's Classic Cars, and there's another title behind there, so we're going to delete that. We're going to put that back up here. Now we're going to take these out, and what we put in here, we're going to put a couple pictures from the image tool over here of some classic cars. So we're going to go over to our classic car folder, pick one, and we're just going to grab one more here because we're going to make up a photo album afterwards as well. So we can change the size of it back and forth. We can also double click it and put a border around it if you like. Okay, so let's do this one here as well really quickly. Okay, so maybe change the size of it a bit here. And our newest products. So we're going to take this and we're going to call it Steve's Classic Cars, or whatever you want to call it there. Alright, so we move this back here where it belongs. Let's go and do a really quick preview of it and see what it looks like. And voila, looks not too shabby. So let's go back to our builder. A little small, let's just increase this up to around 980. We can actually bring up our web page a little bit bigger. This isn't too bad. Some of them are more of a bugger to do. Okay, so here we are, and if we want to make it bigger down here, we can do that as well. Move our little copyright thing here, and we can do that and just move that little window down here. Okay, so here we are. So from here, what do we want to do? Well, we can double click that, put some writing in there, double click that, change the heading, and we can do whatever we want. We can put all kinds of different tools in, we can fix this, we can change this, we can do all kinds of neat and exciting things with our website on this builder. Okay, but right now we're going to teach you how to make a couple different pages so we can upload them to our server via file transfer protocol. Over here is our publish button we need to use. So let's take these little tools out here. Little menu they have here. You can make it your own menu. You can do whatever you want. I prefer to bring one in, then it's a little bit more organized. So we're going to double click that. We're going to do vertical. We're going to change our color to maybe a reddish color and our Hoover color to maybe this here. And horizontal, I should say. Now, that looks a little bit more neater. Now we want to have a couple pages. And so the first page we're going to edit this one. We're going to change it to, just make it whatever you want. We'll just make it page 1. And this one here, we're going to make it page 2. And this one here, because we want to show off all of our classic cars, we're going to make it images or pics or whatever you want to choose. Okay, so and then we got the button 4, so we're just going to remove that. But then again, we need to put a home button on there, so let's just add home. Okay, and we're going to move this up a bit. Perfect. Okay, so there is our quick menu we're going to do. There's our title. We're going to put all of our information in there. We can put a video in there if you want of cars. You can put a sign-up sheet where they can sign up. They can contact you. You can make a form. You can put a donation button on there if you want. You can do all kinds of neat and exciting things on this. Okay, so for now we're going to clone this page, and we're going to make 3 more pages up. So 1, 2, 3, and we're going to name this page page 1. And this one's already page 2, and this one here we're going to rename it. It was already page 1, but with this one we're going to name it images. Okay, so we have our home index is our home, page 1, page 2, page 3. And actually, there we are. Perfect. Okay, so from here we are going to link all of this menu to our pages. So we're going to go home, we're going to go edit, we're going to go select, and we're going to go index, which is our home page. Then page 1, select page 1, okay, and page 2, select now page 2, and our images. Remember this button right here? This we can actually link it to an external page, email address, file, or smart link. And we're going to do internal page. Perfect. Okay, so there is our link of our first page. Now all these other ones we have to do the same thing too, or we can just copy this whole menu, delete this. Now all the links are in there already, so let's go to our another page here. It saves a lot of time by, instead of going into every single one and linking them, just do the master page and copy it to the rest of the pages. Okay, so in page 1 we're going to go over here, we're going to go and call this page 1. In page 2 we're going to go over here and call this page 2. And images, we're going to call this our pics. Okay, so in our pics we're going to actually put a image gallery in here. So going into Builder Extensions, grab the photo album, we're going to bring it in like this. Make it a little bigger, make our website a little bit bigger on the bottom here. Break this down. There's all kinds of things you can do with it. Okay, so there's our image gallery, and let's add our cars in here. Just grab all of them, open up. We're going to change the look of the actual background and make it a little bit more cooler. I don't know, let's go with lime. You can change the title page of it. Spell right here. Okay, and there we have it. So then you can do all kinds of other things with this. So that's all we're going to do right now, because I want to show you how to upload it to our server. So we're going to go File, Save Our Website, and we're going to preview the whole website before we take the time to upload it to our server. So this is our main page. This is our not our main page. This is our main page, Steve's Classic Cars. So we're going to go to page 1. Okay, we're going to go to page 2, and we're going to go to our images. And in here is our image gallery, but again it does not show until you upload the pictures to the server, and then it will show there. So, alright, so let's go into our server account. Okay, so first of all, before we do that, I want to go into the Explorer here and type in www.easymakeasite.com, and as you can see, there's nothing there. Okay, so let's go into my GoDaddy hosting account. Hit your web hosting, launch that. And once you're on your hosting account, you go into Settings, Manage FTP Users. Scroll down and you can add a FTP user, username, password, the website or domain, you save it, and that's it. So let's go into this is our Easy Make a Site that we did, so that's done. It's already been set up through GoDaddy. The next thing we need to do is make a connection between what you see is what you get to GoDaddy. So if you go into your published website, you can add, from here you can go FTP server. You just put a description on there, Easy Make a Site. You're going to put the URL, which is www.easymakeasite.com. Then the host, which is going to be the IP address. So you can get your host P server or your GoDaddy server. So once you go onto the GoDaddy and you hit FTP users, you'll see your web address, and mine 72.167.1.128 is GoDaddy's address, as you can see right here. Okay, so username is the username you put on for your FTP. Password is your password, and you don't touch anything else on here. You press OK, and you can also do a handshake test to see if it actually works. So you can actually publish selected page only or the entire web page. So I'm going to go and publish the whole web page. So now it's generating the file, and right now what it's doing is uploading our newly created classic car website to my server at GoDaddy via file transfer protocol. Very easy. I'm just going to pause the video until it's done. It doesn't take too long normally. The address for your server, you just go in here and there it is right there. It's very, very easy to upload anything to GoDaddy, especially from what you see is what you get. Okay, so successfully published. So that's done. So let's go into our web browser where it was forbidden. There was nothing there. www.easymakeasite.com. Let's refresh that. Okay, we're going to hit refresh again here. And there we have it. There is our website at www.easymakeasite.com. There's the one we just made. So that was very quick, very simple. There's our home, there's our page 1, our page 2, and our image gallery with our pictures on it. Look at that. So we want to go back home, we just hit that. So just to go through it really quickly with you guys, or girls, you create a website on your web builder. You link your web builder to your host through file transfer protocol. Very simple to do. You upload it. Once you're uploading it, once it's done upload it, you can go to your domain name and your website address, and it should be there. And you can do the whole website, or you can do one page at a time. So thanks for watching my video, and please visit me at www.steveshowto.com or email me at steveshowto@hotmail.com. Thank you.